All right, I'm gonna make a square with that. Exactly that is one of the side lengths. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this and extend this just a little bit. So this dotted line, again, I can extend because I can take those two lines and I can extend. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is the same thing we've done before. I'm gonna find the perpendicular line through that point. So I'm gonna take my compass, doesn't even matter, and I'm gonna find a point there, and I'm gonna find a point there. Now we know the red points are equidistant from that point. I know that, so that means that point's in the middle. Well, I can make my compass a little longer, and I can go from the red and the red, and the same reason, this has to be on the perpendicular bisector of the two red points. So if I connect those points, I know that that blue line that I just drew is for sure perpendicular to my original thing. So I'm getting closer to a square. Now I don't know how long this needs to be, but I do. All I have to do is set my compass to exactly that distance, because if this is the distance of a radius, well then so is this. But I can also come over here and use that same distance, and then I can come over here and use the same distance. Now I'm going to draw these in red. This distance, because it's the radius of a circle, has to be the same. This distance was this circle with this center, so that distance has to be the same. Well, this is the center of that circle, so this distance has to be the same. I now know that this distance, this distance, this distance are all congruent to the original blue distance here. And I know this is 90, which makes that 90 and that 90 and that 90. And now I've created a square.